What color do you like?
I like pink.
Pink? Wow! What animal do you like?
I like
Animal. Do you like cats, dogs? What animal do you like?
cat.
Cats? Oh, animal. Your favorite animal is cats. Are you ready for the speaking test? Yes? Okay, put your hands together on the table and speak loudly, okay? Alright, now let's talk about this vocabulary word. Tell me, what is this? This is my...
It's in my head.
Go ahead.
It is my tummy.
Okay, this is my tummy. It's my tummy.
It's my tummy.
Okay, good. Next, what is this? It's my
It's my mouth.
mouth. What is this?
It's my nose.
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 Can you show me your nose? Show me the nose. Show me your mouth. Mouth.
Mouth.
Head.
Head.
Good job. Next. Elsa, what are these? They are
They are my foot.
feet.
Feet.
Next.
They are my eyes.
Nice. Great job. Next. What are these? They are
They are my arms.
very good. Next. They are
They are my legs.
wow. Perfect. Good job. Tell me, what is this? It's a
It's a lollipop.
very good. It's a
It's a ice cream.
ice cream. Do you want lollipop?
Yes, believe.
Do you want some ice cream?
Yes, believe.
Uh-oh. Too sweet. Tell me, what's this? What? Water. Next. Louder.
It's
Juice. Next.
coffee.
Coffee, not cafe. Coffee.
Coffee.
Uh-huh. Alright. Do you want some water?
No, thank you.
Do you want some juice?
Yes, believe.
Do you want some coffee?
No, thank you.
No, thank you. Don't worry. Let's talk about the sound. Can you tell me what pa says? Pa.
Present.
Mm-hmm.
Chili.
Penguin. Toilet.
Penguin.
Good. Next, what's this?
Puzzle.
Puzzle. Great job. Next, what says?
Child.
Good. Alright, now here, let's play. And can you tell me which one is bend? Bend. This? Say the word. Say the word bend.
Bend.
Good job. Next. Which one is stretch? Okay, say the word. Good job. Next. Which one is put your arms down?
Put your arm down.
This one? Yes? Good job. Next. Which one is drink the juice?
Drink the juice.
What's this?
Drink the juice.
Good job, Elsa. You're doing great. Next. Eat the cake.
Eat the cake.
Wow, great job. Which one is take the present?
Take the green.
Wow! Are you happy? Yes? Happy. Say thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
See you again.